Welcome to Oclef Kinder. My name is Mr. Piano. This is Brahms Lullaby, Day 1. So the first thing we want to do is find our hand position, middle C, with our left hand thumb. 3 on A. That means we have 3 on A, and it says to play that 2 times, plus a skip up to middle C with our left hand thumb. Okay, let's try that again. 3, 3, 1. Good. Right hand thumb is on D, 3 is on F, 5 is on A. And we play 3 and 5 together. Can you play 3 and 5 together? There you go. Okay, so we're going to play left hand 3, 3, 1, right hand 3 and 5. So we have 3, 3, 1, that's left hand, and 3 and 5 right there. So we play that 2 times. One's there, one's there. And the next time, we have a different melody, and it sounds like this. Left hand 3 on A, skips up to 1, skips up to right hand 3 on F, step down to E, step down to D, D, C. So again, that's left 3, 1, and then right hand 3, stepping all the way down to 1 twice, and left hand 1. Can you try that again? Four is on G, 3 is on A, this is left hand. 2, remember we are adjusting to B flat. Good, and then we go back to 4. So 4, 3, 2, 4. Can you play that? 4, 3, 2, 4. Very good. Okay, let's play from the beginning one more time. 3, 3, 1, right hand. 3, 3, 1, right hand. 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. Go back and practice that with your parents. If you're having trouble with that part, what I would recommend is just playing and practicing 3, 1, 3. 3, 1, 3. Left hand 3, 1. Right hand 3. The next thing I would practice is 3, 2, 1, 1. Left hand 1. So we're starting on F at measure 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. The next part, we have the next page. We have left hand 2 on B flat. That is left hand 2 on B flat. Now, if you don't remember where that is, how we got there was this is B natural. And to find B flat, we have to go down 1/2 step to the next black key below B. B flat. There you go. So we have B flat 1 and 3 on C and E. So we move our hand down, stepping down. 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4. And here's another demonstration. Now we ought to work on this phrase. Here I'm referring to all of the notes beneath the highlighted area. 4, 2, left hand, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1. That's right hand. 3, 2, 1, 3, and then stepping up to 4. And at the same time we play 4, we play 1 and 3 in the left hand. Good, let's try that phrase again. I'll put the finger numbers in. 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, and you have a 4 here. And 1 and 3 here. Ready, set, go. Good, now the next part, we don't move our hands. We play left hand 5, 5, and we skip all the way up to right hand 4. Make sure it's not 5 you're playing, but 4. Both thumbs are on the middle C. Then we play 2 to 2. Right hand 2 to 2. 2, right hand 2, left hand 2. 2 to 2. 2 to 2. 3, 5, 2, 1. This is right hand 1 now. 2, and then right hand 1, left hand 3. 3, 5, 2, 1, 2. Right hand 1, left hand 3. Next part is the same. And then 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 1, 3. And then what does it say? It says play any high F to the end. Or maybe whichever. I think we should play the whole thing from the beginning. It starts on beat 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1. Whoa. As always, thank you for joining Oclef Kinder. These are practice habits. Maintain a steady hand position. Keep your eyes on the music. Start slowly, then build up speed. Follow along with the lyrics and practice in sections. See you next time and happy practicing.